Welcome to the iconic WMH Harris building in Warwick, Rhode Island. This is one of my favorite commercial properties in Warwick. It was built in 1979, one of my favorite decades. 1979 tough, 21,000 square feet. We're offering here professional office space, 2 spaces, first and second floor, elevator access, $2,500 per month, and the other unit is only $3,500 per month. This is going to be top of the line renovation. If that's not enough, the WMH Harris building. We also have a 25-year lease option on the neighboring lot. Perfect opportunity. You're in the thick of it. Rhode Island Mall, Warwick Mall, Bald Hill Road, Dunkin' Donuts, gas station, Community College of Rhode Island. What do you want here for 25 years? Give us a call today, 401-954-0270. Talk to you soon.